Be ready. Start. Madam, I support this bill, but at the same time, I would like to draw the attention of the government on certain important issues. This enactment is now repealing the earlier enactment, which was a very successful enactment made during the period of Srimati Indira Gandhi when she implemented the 20-point program. The Standards of Weights and Measures Act was brought by year. It gave a lot of strength to the common man and consumers. Throughout India, people were very happy that they are going to get clear weight measures and they are going to get the materials in a proper method. That was also imposed as part of the successful emergency rule. But at the same time, the enforcement was subsequently made by way of another enactment during Sri Rajiv Gandhi's period. Now, we are taking both the enactments together in the new bill. But I would like to draw the attention of the government that we have missed the main part, that is, this enactment is for the consumers, for the people, but there is no participation for the consumers or for the people in any of the positions throughout the enactment. Even now, we are thinking only in the name of enforcing things, as if we are having all powers to enforce certain things, and we have got very big machinery to enforce, but it can never happen. The country is a very big country. There are more than 100 crores of consumers. We cannot find out how the consumer is going to benefit, in which way this enactment is violated by a particular group of people or corporate bodies or multinationals. Paragraph. We are not having examples to say that multinational companies were prosecuted and their share has fallen due to enforcement of a particular provision of this act. We cannot cite even a single instance that a very popular company which has a wide consumer base in India is not following the rules of weights and measures, and therefore it was prosecuted or its director was prosecuted. We have to bring awareness among the people about their rights. We can very easily say that print and electronic media find every time to increase their ratings. Even if there is a small violation here and there, they are making it a live telecast but not consumer issues. It is only the government's agencies which are bringing awareness among the people. They are telecasting advertisements. They are educating consumer how to measure a particular product and see whether it is properly measured or properly packed. They also educate that if there is any violation, the consumer can go to the consumer court and claim damages. Stop.